What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have something special for you. First off, happy Halloween, because it is Halloween. It is officially October 31st and I absolutely love Halloween. Anything that has to deal with Halloween. So this is a special thing because I am filming this on October 31st. It is going up on October 31st. And it is gonna be awesome. So we are doing an unboxing, and it is going to be the Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the premium box, which is the middle box, because there's 3 tiers, so this was the middle tier. So first thing that you get in the box is this shirt. Says I can't relate, and it's got the little fingers, and look, it's like Halloween-y fingernails. I love this shirt. So I've worn it today because I wore it to work, and I also wore it to retreat with my kids, but I also have Halloween leggings thanks to Walmart. They were like 4 something, so like $5. So it was like absolutely perfect for Halloween. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in the box and kind of get going. But how awesome is like the packaging on this? Oh, here comes Dixie. She's got a Halloween costume on. See? Lady and girl. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is the first thing in the box. Hashtag can't relate. And then we've got a lot of really neat items. I'm super excited. I've never purchased anything from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is my first purchase, which I thought would be perfect because it is a mystery box and it is a Halloween mystery box. So it was perfect time to jump in. My dog is going crazy. I think she's trying to get under the blankets. She like loves to do that. She's a crazy girl. It's a perfect chance to jump in, try out a bunch of different products for a little bit cheaper than what it would be to purchase them individually. So we're gonna go ahead and just get in this. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is this one right here. I got a velour liquid lipstick, and the packaging is like just super cute. I love his packaging. But it is in the shade Poinsettia. So it's like perfect. Let me turn my light down a little bit. Perfect for Christmas time. So I am gonna swatch it so you guys can see. Like, look how beautiful that is. That is honestly like the most perfect like holiday lip ever. So that is one item that I got. The next item I got in the mystery box is this right here. And this is from his summer collection, this year's summer collection, the Jawbreaker collection. So I did get a lip ammo, and it's in the shade Candy Freeze. So all of his summer collection this year came out in this like lime green packaging. So this is what his lip ammos look like. They all come in this bullet, but this, like I said, the color is for the summer collection. And this was in Candy Freeze, which is this beautiful, look how gorgeous of a lipstick that is. I did wear this the other day. I put it on over just like some lip liner because it is a little sheer, but it is gorgeous. So this is it right here. Like, look how beautiful that is. Oh my God. That is stunning. So I do not have any of those lips on, but I just didn't think it really matched what I was wearing. I also got one of his lip glosses, which he calls the Gloss. And this one is called Diet Freeze. Let me try and pull. So all of his lip glosses come in this like iconic packaging with little tip like this. How beautiful. Like, he really puts into his products, like, he puts an effort into his packaging, which I really appreciate because I love displaying all of my makeup pieces. Just, I enjoy makeup and I enjoy looking at it. So I really appreciate the effort that he puts into that. So this is a gloss, so it's not going to come out as like a liquid lipstick, as pigmented. But this is it right here, and this is Diet Freeze. How gorgeous is that? The next thing we got was the Liquid Frost, and this is packaging, and this is in the shade Frostbite. So Liquid Frost is a liquid highlighter. So if you've never used one before, I'm always still a little nervous of using them, but you know. So this is, what did I say? Frostbite. So it pops up like that, and it's a little dropper. See? So I don't want to put too much on because I don't want to scare out. But let's dab it out. So this is it right here, and it is just beautiful. And like I said, this is a liquid highlighter. Like, isn't that beautiful? Just the sheen from it is just gorgeous. So that is Frostbite in Liquid Frost. And then we also got, which is so awesome because since, like I said, I've never had Jeffree Star products before, this was perfect because I really got to try all the lip stuff, a lot of the lip stuff, the liquid highlighter, and I even got a palette. So this is the mini Jawbreaker. This came out, like I said, this packaging is his summer collection packaging. So this is it right here, and I am wearing it on my eyes today. I used all the orange shades in here. I've used this palette twice now, but these are the colors right here. They're stunning shades. They're easy to apply, easy to blend. I love them. So like in today's look, I've got double scoop and orange crush in the crease. I've got slice on the lid and hot fudge like kind of in my outer corner. But these are the shades, and I kind of gouged slice, but like, let me swatch a couple for you guys. Slice is just stunning. I've been wearing this makeup all day long. So let's do Bite Me. And they're just so nice. Like, look at that. Bubblegum. Like, how beautiful are these shades? And they're just, I mean, like, honestly, beautiful. Beautiful. So I've been using these eyeshadows. Love them. Super excited. Worth it. I mean, his products are really good. So if you ever get a chance to try them out, definitely buy them. But now we're on to the special Halloween items, and I am so pumped because, like I said, I love Halloween and I love makeup and I love limited edition stuff. So we do have a Skin Frost, which is what he calls his highlighters. And this is the Halloween special one, and it is called Mystery Frost. Now look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a little ghost in the word frost, and I appreciate the details. I appreciate them. But so this is, she's going crazy out there, the special edition Halloween item. If you got this box, this is the item that you got. So this is it right here. How gorgeous. And I am gonna swatch it for you guys. So I am, let's see, I'm just gonna put it right here. I don't know if you can tell very well. That was a terrible place to swatch. Oh, right there. But I am wearing it today. So I've got it like on my forehead, down my nose, right here. Like, look at that. Can you see that? Yeah. So I love Mystery Frost. It is stunning. Worn it a couple of times. And then look how they're huge. His highlighters are huge. So this is the special limited edition Halloween one. And then the last thing we got in the box, which I'm super pumped about, is this right here. If you watch Jeffree Star, you know he always has his very iconic mirror. So for Halloween, we got Halloween mirrors. So this is mine right here. It is in the orange and black for Halloween. It matches everything. But this is it. Ah! I'm so excited. I love it. And this is perfect to honestly just do my makeup and kind of do what I need to get done. So that is everything I got in my special mystery box. If he comes out with any more, I will definitely be ordering. But that completes this video. If you guys love mystery boxes, if you enjoy Jeffree Star products, be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you love Halloween, be sure and give this video a thumbs up because I love Halloween and I love this shirt. Can't relate. But that's it, y'all. I hope you guys have had a great Halloween and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.